Hello everyone, welcome to SweetieSembly, where I show you how to assemble your baby products so you don't have to use the manual. Today, I'm going to show you how to assemble the Evenflo Babysuite DLX Playard. If you're new here and these are the kinds of videos that you would like to see more of, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notified. Okay, now into the video. So first, we gotta make sure that we have all of the items that we need. Number 1 is the changer, 2 is the mattress pack, 3 is the toy bar, 4 is the wheel assembly, there should be 2 wheels, 5 are the changer tubes, there should be 3 of them, 6 is the bassinet, 7 is the soft console, 8 are the feet, there should be 2 feet, 9 is the Playard. The first step is to install the wheels onto the Playard. You take the wheel, and as you see, it has 2 grooves inside that line up with the divots that are on the Playard itself. You take the wheel and you have to line it up with those divots, and you slide it on. You slide it on until you hear a click. And that's it. Next, you have to install the feet. What you do is you see that it has a groove there that matches up with the groove on the Playard. So what you do is you slide it into that groove until you hear a click. And then you do the same with the next foot. Once again, you slide it in until you hear a click. And there you go. So next, you have to open up the Playard. What you do first is remove the mattress from the Playard by opening it up and then just putting it to the side. Then you pick up the Playard and stand it up and separate the corners so that it opens up slightly like this. Then you have to lift up the rails. This is a bit tricky though, so what you do is you have to feel for a lever that is under the rail, and you press on that lever while lifting the rail up until you hear a click and it locks in place. And then you do that with the next longer rail. You press on the lever and lift up until it locks into place. Once you're done with the longer rails, then you have to do the same thing with the shorter rails. Once again, you feel for the lever that is under the rail, you press it and lift up until it locks into place. You might have to try it a few times, you might have to feel for the lever a few times until you can hear it and feel it with your hands. Once that is done and all the 4 rails are lifted up, you have to separate the legs from the wheels. And once those are separated, you press on the center all the way down until it's flat. Then you take the mattress and you place it at the bottom of the Playard. Then you have to take the velcros that are on the sides of the mattress and insert them into the holes that are at the bottom of the Playard, as you see here. Then at the bottom, you'll see that the Velcro straps are sticking out. there's Velcro at the bottom of the Playard that you're supposed to stick that to. So all you gotta do is take the Velcro from the mattress and stick it to the Velcro that is at the bottom of the Playard. So this is stage 1 of the Playard. This is what it looks like for older kids. Next, I'm going to show you how to install the bassinet and the changing pad. To set up the bassinet, you have to place it on the floor with the tubes and the sleeves facing up. Then you take the skinnier tube and you connect it into the fatter tube. So next you have to install the bassinet onto the Playard, but first you have to remove the mattress from the bottom of the Playard. So you do that first, unstick all of the Velcro and take it out, and then put it to the side. Then you take the bassinet and you have to press those 4 hooks onto the side of the short rails. Then the 4 corners of the bassinet have Velcro on them. You take the corners of the bassinet and you stick them onto the wall of the Playard. You do that with all 4 corners. Then each long side of the bassinet has a zipper on it. So you have to take the zipper and stick it onto the wall of the bassinet. And then zip it all the way up, and then at the end of the zipper there is Velcro, so all you do is stick that Velcro onto the bassinet, like so. Then you have to put the mattress on the bassinet and secure it in place. Just like you did with the bottom of the Playard, the bassinet has 6 holes on the sides for the Velcro that is on the mattress to be inserted through. So all you do is insert the Velcro through those 6 holes and then stick the Velcro to the bottom of the bassinet, just as you did with the bottom of the Playard. Next you have to set up the changer. You take one of the curved tubes and you connect it to the straight tube, like this. Make sure you hear a click. Then you have to slip the tubes into the changer, like so. Just gather up all of the fabric until it goes all the way through the other side. Then you take the second curved tube and you have to connect it to the other end of the straight tube. To do that, you have to bunch up all of the fabric of the changer until you can see the straight tube sticking out. Then take the curved tube and connect it to the straight tube to the other end of the straight tube. Once you do that, you just cover the tubes with the fabric all the way down. And that's how you set up the changer. Next you have to connect the changer to the Playard. So you just place it onto the side here. These hooks get pressed onto the sides of the Playard, like so. All you do is just press on them until they lock in. And then this flap on the changer here, it's got two buttons that connect, that snap onto the side of the Playard. Next, you'll see that there are straps on the sides of the changer. You just have to connect those together on both sides. To get the changer out of the way when it's not in use, you have to unhook the straps that are on either side of the changer, and then you can flip the changer out of the way onto the side of the Playard. Next, you have to attach the soft console to the Playard. As you can see, the console has two Velcro straps. And the side of the Playard here has two holes on the side here. So what you do is you take the Velcro straps and you insert it into those holes and then attach it onto the console itself. You take the Velcro strap, slip it through the hole, and attach it to itself. You unzip the top, and as you can see, it has all of these different pockets where you can put diapers, toys, or clothes, or anything that the baby needs, and then you zip it back up. Next, you will have to attach the toy assembly to the Playard. To do that, you have to straighten it out, like so. And then the ends of the assembly, there are hooks. You just hook those ends to the sides of the Playard here. Next, I'm going to show you how to fold the assembly up and put it all away. But first, to do that, you have to take all of the pieces off the Playard first. You have to pull up on the center of the Playard so that the wheels and the feet are now close together. Then you have to feel for the lever on one of the long rails. Press the lever while pulling up on the rail and then push it all the way down. Then do the same with the next long rail. Then once you have pushed both of the long rails down, you can do the same on the short rails. Once you've done that, you can gather up all the four corners until the Playard is folded up. So folding up the Playard is a bit tricky. Sometimes the rails can lock even when they're folded down like this. So what you have to do to fix this problem is feel for the lever that is under the rail. Press that lever and push down on the rail. You place the mattress on the floor and you open it up. Then you take the Playard and put it on the mattress. Next, you take the bassinet and you unhook the tubes from each other. You fold it up and put it on top of the Playard. Next, you take the changer and you have to unhook all 3 tubes. Put the 3 tubes on top of the bassinet and then place the changer on top. Last, you take the toy assembly and you fold it up and you put it on top of the changer. Then you take the mattress and you fold it over the Playard. And you take the other side and you bring it in. Then you take the Velcro straps and slip them through the hooks on the back of the mattress and stick them onto themselves. Then slip the carry bag over the Playard. Next, you take the soft cover and just like you did on the side of the Playard, the side of the carry bag has 2 holes here where you can slip the Velcro straps in and stick it onto itself.
Alright, so that's how you assemble the Evenflo Playard. I hope that was really useful for you. Once again, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell button, and smash the like button too. And as always, make sure to let me know in the comment section below what other baby products you would like for me to assemble next. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. God bless and see you in the next video.